What's up, everybody? Happy Friday, and what a great Friday this is. Is there anything better than March Madness? For me, March Madness is kind of doubly exciting because I'm a wrestling fan and I'm a basketball fan. So right now I have the opportunity to watch both the NCAA men's basketball tournament and the NCAA men's wrestling tournament. I'm in heaven right now. I'm also very excited today because at DirectLync, we've released some really cool new features. The one I am personally most excited about is A/B testing. What is A/B testing? Well, let's say you have a group of, just for a nice even number, 200 contacts that you want to send out a certain email to. Make it 2,000 contacts. Let's think big here. Make it 200. No, I'm just joking. Make it 2,000 contacts. So let's say you have a group of 2,000 contacts that you want to send an email out to. What you do with A/B testing, actually, I'll show you guys what you can do with A/B testing in DirectLync. Come with this little plus sign. You're going to compose an A/B testing email. Get my ugly mug out of the way. A/B testing, email campaign name. Let's call it test. I'm going to delete this anyways. Category, blah, blah, blah. Market campaign, not relevant. Pick your group. Let's pick my test group. This is the test account, by the way. We'll pick my test group. So right here, we can see the group, not a huge group. Pretend it's 2,000 contacts instead of 12. Save and next. This is how easy it is to set it up. Now, what would you like to test? This will be the variable that changes in your A/B test. Let's test subject lines. What percentage? We recommend typically 20%, but because this is such a small group, I think just going out to like 4 people is going to keep it at 35%. So do about 20. You have that group of 2,000 people. Since this is a group of like 12 people, we will do 35%. So we'll go to 4 people, and we're going to A/B test a subject line. What do we want to determine? How do we want to determine the winner? Let's go by opens. Make it simple. Who's opening? Whatever email gets the most opens will win, and that winner email will go to the rest of the group, the rest of the 80% of the group. Winner by, I don't know, let's say 1 day. But you could turn this into hours. You could turn it into days. We'll do 1 day. We'll keep it right there. Save it. Next. Subject A isn't March Madness awesome? Sorry, I can't type on this keyboard. This is not my computer. March Madness is awesome, right? And we'll give it a double exclamation point. We'll give this first one a single exclamation point. It's me, DirectLync, save it next. Very simple, very easy. This has nothing to do with March Madness, but let's just pick a quick template right here. Save it next. Then it takes us to the actual email. This is the email drag and drop editor. Very easy to compose eye-catching and compelling emails here, but let's just say this has something to do with coffee, nothing to do with basketball, but this is a test, so that's okay. Save it next. When do we want this email campaign to go out? We could schedule it, or we could just send it now. Let's just schedule it. We'll go today. We'll pick a date, a later time. We'll go, typically want to send emails this late on a Friday, but let's just pick 3 a.m., 3 p.m. Schedule your A/B test email. The winning email will be determined by subject line and sent to the remaining contacts in your group after 1 day, the scheduled date. So yeah, let's get this thing scheduled. And here's the great thing about A/B testing. You should A/B test all of your email campaigns because you want to be able to send messages, subject lines, content that is catching people's eye, so they're opening and clicking in your email and going to your website and either continuing to buy from you or buying from you, or if you're using an email campaign to increase brand recognition, it will certainly do that as well. It'll also help you nurture your relationships with your existing customers. So that's A/B testing, new in DirectLync, awesome new feature. If you have any questions, let me know. We'll talk to you guys real soon. Hey, enjoy the weekend, enjoy the games, enjoy the wrestling if you're a wrestling fan.